Good evening, student. Earlier we have explained about the acid classification of acid, and you have learned about the examples of acid, and I have given so many examples of acid. Now this is a very important part of acid, that in this we have learned about the preparation of acid, how acid can be prepared. So as you know, every acid contains hydrogen in the form of H positive ions. That means when it dissolves in water, it produces hydronium ion. So that means it is compulsory that in every acid hydrogen must be. So first preparation of acid, number one, by the reaction of hydrogen and non-metal. That means you can say hydrogen react with so many non-metals form acid. This is the easy preparation and fast preparation of acid. As you know, the non-metals are sulfur, chlorine, fluorine, bromine, and some other. Not all the non-metals like nitrogen do not form acid when react with hydrogen, but chlorine, bromine, sulfur, they form acid. That means some metal, non-metal like H2 react with Cl2. This is non-metal, this is hydrogen. This form HCl, 2HCl. This is acid. Or you can say H2 plus Br2. So it will form 2HBr. Or you can say H2 plus S. This is non-metal, sulfur. It forms H2S. So this is the first method for the preparation of acid, by the reaction of hydrogen and non-metal like chlorine, bromine and sulfur. The second method of the preparation of acid, by the reaction of water and non-metallic oxide. Non-metallic oxide means water react with oxide of non-metal like CO2. This is oxide of non-metal. SO2, this is also oxide of non-metal. SO3, etc. So suppose how you will write the reaction: H2O, this is water, and oxide of non-metal, that is CO3. So you will form H2CO3. H2CO3. Water, carbon dioxide. So this acid form that will be called carbonic acid. Next one, H2O plus SO2. This is also a oxide of non-metal. Sulfur dioxide it is called. So it will form H2SO3. This acid will be called sulfurous acid. Next one, H2O plus SO3. This is sulfur trioxide. So it will form H2SO4. This is sulfuric acid. Okay, student. Number 3, the method of preparation of acid by using sulfuric acid. As you know, sulfuric acid is an acid, and by using this acid you can prepare all other acid. So by using H2SO4 concentrated. Suppose you want to prepare hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid, its formula is HCl. So you will take any chloride salt like sodium chloride, potassium chloride, lead chloride, any chloride salt you can take, and when it react with H2SO4, so you will get NaHSO4 plus HCl if you will heat at less than 200 degrees Celsius. That's mean on heating of sodium chloride and concentrated H2SO4, you can prepare hydrochloric acid. If you will heat above 200 degrees Celsius, so at that time also you will form HCl, but here what you have formed, this is sodium bisulfate, or you can say sodium hydrogen sulfate. Listen again, sodium bisulfate or sodium hydrogen sulfate. But if you will heat above 200 degrees Celsius, so in place of this you will get Na2SO4. At that time you will form Na2SO4, that means sodium sulfate. Why we do not heat sodium chloride above 200 degrees Celsius? When we prepare hydrochloric acid, this is the laboratory preparation of hydrochloric acid. In the laboratory you can prepare hydrochloric acid by the heating of sodium chloride with concentrated sulfuric acid less than 200 degrees Celsius. If you will heat above 200 degrees Celsius, so this will be formed sodium sulfate, and you are taking this in a round bottom flask like this flask. Here sodium chloride and sulfuric acid. On heating by using a delivery tube, you will get HCl gas. This gas, what will be left here? This one. And this is very hard solid affixed inside of the bottom, this bottom side. When you want to remove, it is not possible to remove from this flask because its mouth is very small. So dear student, we have to use less than 200 degrees Celsius, because at less than 200 degrees Celsius you will get HCl and sodium hydrogen sulfate. It is soluble in water and it can easily remove by water. By washing or by filling water, you can remove this one. Sodium sulfate will not be soluble in water and can't be removed easily. Okay students, if you want to prepare nitric acid, so what we have to take here? Any nitrate salt. फिर से मैं बता रहा हूँ, if you want to prepare sodium chloride, so you have to take chloride salt. If you want to prepare nitric acid, our formula of nitric acid is HNO3. If you want to prepare nitric acid here, so what we have to take? Nitrate salt. I am taking here potassium nitrate, KNO3. When it reacts with H2SO4 concentrated less than 200 degrees Celsius, so you will get KHSO4 and plus HNO3. I think this is transparent, you can see easily, dear student. Okay student, I think you got everything in this today, the preparation of acid. Tomorrow we will discuss about the properties of acid and chemical properties of acid. Good night.